Ever wonder what Islam is really about? So many people think it's just a long list of strict rules, right? But what if I told you the real meaning is hidden right in the name? The word Islam actually comes from the root word for peace, specifically, the peace you find through surrender. Now, surrender might sound like giving up, but it's the total opposite. It's about surrendering your ego, your anxieties, your need to control every little thing. Think about it. How much stress comes from trying to manage things that are totally out of your hands? When you finally let go and trust in a higher power, a profound sense of peace washes over you. That's the starting point. This is why Muslims pray 5 times a day. It's not just a religious chore. Each prayer is like hitting a reset button for your soul. Life gets chaotic, right? Deadlines, traffic, drama. But these 5 daily pauses pull you back to your center. They remind you that no matter what storm is raging around you, your true purpose, your connection to the divine, remains steady and unshaken. It's a spiritual anchor in the middle of a hectic day. Have you ever seen a Muslim pray? There's a moment called Sujood, where they put their forehead on the ground. From the outside, it might look like a position of weakness, but for the person praying, it's the most powerful moment of their day. In that posture of complete humility, you're not weak. You're connected directly to the source of all strength, the one who created and controls everything. You're whispering your deepest hopes and fears to the one who hears it all. Imagine feeling that direct connection, that ultimate support throughout your day. That feeling of being looked after, guided and understood. That's not weakness, that's empowerment. It's the confidence that comes from knowing you're not facing the world alone. So, when you see the word Islam, don't think of restriction. Think of release. Think of the calm that comes from surrendering your worries to something infinitely greater than yourself. It's a journey from inner chaos to inner peace. That's the real essence. That's Islam. If this gave you a new perspective, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.